Welcome to our demo video for our latest AI technology, AI Beauty Agent. Let's take a closer look on how we can interact with this technology to get very personalized suggestions to protect our skin or get our skincare regimen. So I am going to challenge the AI technology by giving a very specific situation. I am going to Egypt for my summer vacation and I would like to know how to protect my skin. Great. It's asking me to take a photo so that it can scan my skin and assess what would be the best for my own needs. So after analyzing my skin, it's actually talking about my main skin concerns. And I can take a deeper look into the full report if I want to read it in depth. And it is also suggesting some products that I can use. So the first one that is showing me is related to my main concern, which is related to my eye circles and anything with my eyes. So this is great. And now it's also suggesting B5 cream so that it can repair my skin barrier. And I think this is really smart because if we think about the weather conditions in Egypt, it's actually quite dry and the skin barrier can get harmed. So it's suggesting anything related to that. Also some toner, but I would love to know what else I can use to protect my skin throughout the day. It's giving me more suggestions and it's talking about sunscreen. We all know that is very important to protect our skin, but I would like to get specific and ask how strong I should use my sunscreen. So once it gives me the answer, it's also talking about very detailed information and just giving me terminology like UVA, UVB, broad spectrum, and I'm quite curious. So I want to know what broad spectrum means. And it's giving me a definition, whatever I need in order to understand what I'm actually buying and what it means. Even if it's out of curiosity or if it will help me make a more informed purchase, I think it's a wonderful. I also would like to know how I can protect my skin during the night, but I don't want to think about my night skincare routine. So I'm just going to ask to prepare the skincare routine for me. Great. So it's organizing all the suggestions and letting me know how I will need to use them and what they are, how they will protect my skin during my trip, and I can just be confident and be sure that my skin will be well protected, that I will have no issues, I don't have to think about my routines, and it's taking into consideration all of the environment concerns, my own skin concerns, and making the perfect solutions for me. So I hope you've enjoyed this demo video, and we'll see you in the next one. Thank you.